everybody, and welcome to Lyle's Friday Podcast. It's been a very rainy week here in Florida this week, and I've spent a lot of time inside. Now, if you look right behind me, you can see a red 1991 Corvette that I am currently putting a new interior in, new seats, new carpets. It's going to be beautiful when we're all done. So I just thought I'd do my video from my workspace right here. But we're not going to be talking about a 1991 Corvette. We're going to be talking about C6 headlights. Now, you've probably seen my videos already on the LED headlights and taillights made by Morimoto. They're fantastic. We're installing a lot of them. But not everybody wants to go to a different style headlight. We love them, but not everybody does. So for those of you who have C6 headlights that need help, there is a solution. Okay. Now, I've got a C6 headlight assembly in front of me here, and you can see that it has a clear lens that is bonded to a big plastic body and a rubber seal attached all the way around it. Okay? What happens over time is that this plastic begins to craze and it begins to crack. And even if you can't see it during the daytime, at night when you turn your lights on, it looks like you're shooting through frost, which, especially on a rainy night, makes things really difficult to see. It diffuses the light to such a degree that your headlights really aren't doing very much at all. In worst case scenarios, especially here in the south, the headlight lens itself starts to yellow and look really old. So you've got this beautiful, waxed, clean C6 Corvette and dingy yellow headlights. Kills the value of the car, kills the saleability of the car as well. There is a solution for that, however. There is a company that is making replacement lenses, just like this one, and they are DOT certified and they are UV coated so that they don't rot in the sun right away. Over the next 10 years they will, just like your originals did. But especially if you're trying to make your car look nice for the next 2 to 5 years, or you're trying to sell your car, this is going to solve this problem for the foreseeable future. Now, the process of replacing these is not simple. It involves, just like you saw in our Morimoto video, removing the front bumper from the car, loosening the fenders, taking some other panels out of the way to access and get these lights out. Once these are out, they have to go in an oven at 350 degrees for quite a while. Then you pull them out and you have to, by hand, separate that clear lens from the plastic base without messing up the mounting surface. It is time consuming and it requires a considerable amount of skill. So the job of taking your headlights and putting new lenses on them with a new rubber seal costs about $8.95 for the pair of headlights. Now, by the time you factor in how much it costs to take your bumper off and loosen the fenders, or especially if you're paying somebody to do this and you're not doing it in your own home, you're going to be right at the cost of the LED updated models, which is why we like them so much. But if you truly want to keep your original lights, we can solve the headlight lens problem for you. It's $8.95, takes about a week to do. If you have more questions about that process, or you have questions about how to get your headlights out, anything to do with this, please call me at 800-886-5064 or email me at Lyle, L-Y-L-E, at CorvettePartsCenter.com. Either way, I look forward to hearing from you about your questions regarding anything to do with C6 headlights or taillights. Until next week, have a good weekend.